Again. One last time. Fatik again. You want to go inside, right? So go. Say hello. See, he's coming to you.
I said one last time.
Shake hand, not wave hand. Say assalamu alaikum. Go ahead. Yee.
This doesn't exist yet. The price, everything we have to do has a price. I can rent the TVs. I'm definitely going arcade games.
Which one?
Arcade games. Arcade games. Arcade.
Okay. We have to ask Fahad Mamu for the card.
Let's go.
Let's go to the end.
We're going where? To the what?
To the top.
Oh!
Okay, we have to exit.
Okay, let's go to the trampoline. Trampoline! My favorite! We need to get there. How to get there? How do we get to the trampoline? How do we on earth get to the trampoline? Break the rules.
What are the rules, Fatik?
The rules. I can't even tell them.
You want to go, Fatik?
Outside of the area is not allowed.
What?
Take a rest outside the area is not allowed.
Are you excited? Okay, you have to jump for the last time for the video. Maybe from the middle. No, 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 no. The staff will mind it. Staff will mind it. Okay, jump.
I'm over there. 3, 2, 1.
What do you want to say? Oh, Fahad Mamu is inside and Ailo is inside. They are coming. See?
I saw God and she saw my cookies. Okay, bye. I'm gonna enjoy my cookies. Please, bye. Bye. Subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.